Hi there, welcome to Tech with Giordi. I'm Giordi, and this is where we build cool stuff. So, I'm a software developer. I focus on full stack development, also do content creation, and I also see myself as a problem solver using code and software. So, what kinds of things can you find at Tech with Giordi? We build expense tracker apps and other apps as well. We work with HONO and full stack JavaScript, Express.js, TypeScript, that sort of jazz. Yeah, it's a YouTube channel where you can come and we can watch tutorials together. We can learn and collaborate together and just share code and knowledge as well. And on the problem solving side, we're going to be able to build features, work on like mobile applications, solve real world problems. So I've got some really cool ideas, really cool videos, and really cool like apps and software that we'll build together. So I'm looking forward to like joining along and working alongside me. And yeah, let's dive in.